Hello everyone, welcome back to another video with me, one and only David Wilbur Jr.'s Playhouse. In this video, what we're going to be talking about is the UT Promoter Pro. I have been struggling trying to figure out how to use this thing, but now, after playing with it and messing around with it and seeing what I can do with it, I finally figured out how you can do this. It's really simple. I have the Pro version. You have to pay for this. In the original version, you don't have to pay for it, but it's similar how to do it. How to grow your channels, things like that, get subscribers. Alright, what you want to do is hit the receive. You want to enter your link, submit it, wait for it to finish, and then hit back. Now you want to go up here with the 3 lines, hit the 3 lines, hit campaign. You want to hit yes. You'll see the rewards video is ready. Just go ahead and click out of that unless you want to watch it. You can go ahead and click out of that because you already got the points. Now just hit add tokens and watch this ad. You have to watch the full ad because the countdown, it'll give you the reward. But if you don't watch the whole video, the little thing, little counter down all the way through till you get the correct congratulations, you will not get credit for it. And now you have 38, and now you just keep repeating this process to get your points and things like that. You just keep repeating. It was really hard for me to figure out because I just kept doing this part, the receive and putting in the link, submitting the link, and that was it. I just kept going. As soon as I got that, I just kept going and just kept doing that, kept doing that, and finding out that I was not getting anything. So yeah, it just pretty much really sucked that was doing that, and yeah, I wasn't getting any points for anything, no nothing. But yeah, I finally figured this out to where you can actually earn points. And now that with the ad that it pops up and the YouTube channel that you watch, it automatically gives you tokens earned from subscribers. Now hit the add tokens. Watch the ad all the way through. Like I said, it'll right there give you the reward. But if you don't watch the whole thing and get the congratulations at the back, at the bottom, right there, you will not get credit for it. And that's how you can get points and how to get tokens to start a campaign. I can't run a campaign yet, but on the Pro version, all you need is 50 tokens. But I know on the original, you need 200 and I think it's like 250 to do an ad. So I would recommend buying the Pro version. It's only $80. So yeah, and then you can get the Pro. And how to do this is, let's get back, go into the Play Store, and just type Cause see, this is the original version. Just do a screenshot there. Just showing you what the screenshots are. You can get up to 200 subscribers daily. Now this is where you can actually promote your videos for creators and get paid for it. It's very simple how it works. What you don't need no 100,000 subscribers or plus. We only want 1,000 views on a UT promoter video to start earning your cash. Talk about the UT promoter app, service offered in app, and much more. So pretty much what they're saying is a 3-minute long video. You can use English, or I'm thinking you can use other languages as well for this. Share the application, and there you go. Share it, make a video, put it down in the link below, and you got to make sure that you have to have 1,000 views. When you make this video, you have to have 1,000 views on it already before you can even get paid for it. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I hope this video helps you out to gain your YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, and come back for more. And I'll be doing more with current music app, the UT promoter. See what happens. But till my next video, I'll see you guys later. Peace.